Okay, so looks like we're starting. I'm not using that mic. I keep forgetting the mic I'm using. Hopefully, I changed around with the settings a little bit, so hopefully I sound better. Um, so today we're gonna go over the Vitis AI library samples on the Kira board. So this should be pretty straightforward. We shouldn't be doing anything fancy. I just wanted to walk through all the samples, and then everyone can see it. So this video may be boring, it may not. We're just going to have to see what the samples look like. So let's go over. So we're going to be doing the samples from here. I've already loaded in all the video libraries. Yeah, so we're basically going to run through all these samples. So we'll probably just start with classification, and what we want to do is we're going to SSH into the machine. Okay, so we got CD Vitis demo, Vitis AI library, and samples. Okay, so we're just gonna walk through each of these samples together and see what they are. They start with face detect, and they talk about the images and the tests and whatnot. I think so we loaded images. Where did we load the images into? I'm trying to remember. So here we loaded the images. Yeah, so apparently they all should be here. Like samples. Okay, YOLO 4 and whatnot. So yeah, we're just going to walk through them and see what these models look like. We'll see these samples, and we're going to go to classification first. So they don't really tell you how to run these here per se. So what we're going to do is they have a README file here. So we're just going to cat. Actually, we're going to less the README. I can't say that. Why I do it? Okay. So we have a bunch. Test JPEG classification, ResNet 50, and a sample class. So yeah, it looks like they have just a bunch of classification networks. Yeah, let's see if it shows the image. So we're going to be doing test JPEG classification, ResNet 50, and we want to do sample classification dot JPEG. Was the image anywhere? I didn't see it. Let me see. Do we see the image on Genki? I don't think we see the image on the HDMI. Yeah, so with just classification, we could try to look at the image. Linux view image. Fastest way to view an image from the terminal. Do you have FHH? We do not have that display. No display command. EOG. Nope. Okay, so we might not be able to just look at the image. But that's okay. So it's the brain coral that we've done before. We can do test video classification. Is ResNet 50 one of them? And we had the test JPEG classification. Where's the test video? Do we have a video for testing this? I don't see anything for testing the video. Test JPEG, test JPEG, test JPEG. Oh, JPEG classification. Okay, so I mean, these are just simple stuff. Can we it's ls the cipher images, right? We have a bunch of cipher images. So what happens if we do the uh ResNet cipher images star? I would just pick the airplane. That's funny. To tell you which, no, I didn't tell you which ones they are. Let's go back to the README real quick. Maybe I should open the README up here. Yeah, so just different classification models. Test accuracy. Day two. Anything besides the JPEG in these examples? Nah, that's all JPEG classification. Okay, so we've already played around enough with that one. Let's go. What's SSD detection? CD SSD detection. I guess it's just SSD. Okay, yeah. So yeah, let's do README, right? Let's README. Just JPEGs. Do any of these actually show anything? Um, Copy. Man. Yeah, if these are just showing outputs, I want to see something interesting. Is there anything? Try face detection. Yeah, if this isn't interesting, guys, we may just have to call it quits for the day because I am not impressed. I mean, okay, it detects faces, cool, right? But I want to see. Let's see. Come on. So let's just see. No such file or directory. Oh, forgot the dot at the beginning. Okay, cool. Copy. Do we have video running anywhere? Yeah, I don't see a video coming forward. Do they have gedit? What's a small GUI program I can check that it's working? Oh well. Okay, yeah, we have a USB camera. Let's see. Uh, 0. Okay. So you want me to do 0? Oh, no, no, that's right. Okay. So we actually have an image. So we have face detection going off the camera. I wonder if we can do test video and other things. So let's try classification. Let's go back to classification. So we had the test video classification, right? We do ResNet 50 0-T8. Let's see. Coffee, mug, beer glass, goblet, mask. Okay, we can do this. We can work with these. Um, so using the 8 threads. I think we just have to kill it here. Okay, so that's classification. What was some other? Okay, so we can actually get a video working. Um, let's try SqueezeNet, right? Um, head read me was it dash 10 20 um 40. Okay, so let's try SqueezeNet. I should get a better webcam. So we couldn't find SqueezeNet. Move this over. Put these cameras next to each other. Let's try something with a big number like ResNet underscore V1152 VF. Let's start 8 threads. And we have the video over here. Lab coat, laboratory. That's right. Bow tie. I don't really have a bow tie on. Cool. I'm a lab coat, guys. Uh, that's cool. Okay, so let's try. Is this gonna be interesting to try all of them? Head dash or readme dash 20. Oh dash and 20. So if we do test video SSD and we do SSD put dash 3 and pruned 097. We should have like a video stream that we can feed it. Dash T 8. The model did not exist. What was the example they provided? We tried that one. Did we spell it right is the question. SSD pedestrian pruned Yeah. I said we try yellow v4. Hmm. But that's um this is the mobile no mobile mobile no mobile nets. Yeah, okay. Try this one. Try center point. Um okay, so I'm not sure what this network is detecting, but it's not doing anything interesting. We could try let's just do some face recognition once. So face feature, face quality. Face, yeah, let's try face feature. What's the other face one? Uh, no, retina face. Yeah, let's try all the fun face ones. Oh, 3D segmentation would be cool. So let's do face. Get detect. Let's do face feature. So we're gonna have to read me. So or the ResNet 20. So we're gonna do. We don't have video. Test performance face feature. Oh, we don't have video. So CD face landmark. Do a video test performance test accuracy. I need video. Face quality. 5 points. No, let's do retina face. Okay, cool. And let's the readme. So we want to do / test video retina face, and we're gonna do retina face 0-T face 8. Not sure 8 is really a required number. Okay. So it's doing like my nose, my dimples, my retinas. Does it change with glasses? Not really. Cool. Um, let's do. Let's do 3D segmentation at the moment. Or no, RG test vid. No, we don't have any test video. So let's try 3D segmentation. Nope. YOLO 4. That's YOLO 4. Let's cat the. So we want to do test video YOLO 4, YOLO V4, leaky SSPP camera 8 threads. I probably spelled it wrong. Leaky. I was supposed to identify what was in the screen. I wish there was an explanation of the models. We have all the models, they all work, that's great, but what does it do? Like, where's the explanation of the model? Ah, okay. COVID-19 segmentation. What's this one do? Um, okay, let's just look at the readme. I'm curious. We get a visualization result. What's it do? What's the visualization result? So you're saying these two JPEG images. Yeah, I'm curious. So let's go back in. I want to see what this visualization is. Um, he's not running SFTV. Maybe not. What's the best way to look at this visualization? Kind of rough. But yeah. Yeah, this video is kind of boring. Oh no, guys, I might just kill this video. I mean, they have a bunch of samples in the code, but I'm not seeing anything like worth showing our understanding better. I don't understand what these networks are doing. They don't have any good descriptions. I got no good way to look at the files. Maybe if we do a reboot, so let's see if we can look at the files. We're gonna reboot to see if we can get anything going. And let's see if we can get any of the images going. Okay, right? So I have a file manager. Browse the files. I feel like keyboard and mouse on this guy. I'm curious to what we have. So we are looking at the COVID detection, COVID segmentation. Um, okay, so here was our sample image. Do we not have a good application? People, it's terrible. You can almost see the image here. Yeah. That one's not going to be very useful. Yeah. Well, does anyone have any suggestions? I don't know. I'm tempted to just call quits here because all I can see is there's a bunch of working examples. The neural networks are very boring. Yeah. And this video, I don't think it's worth keeping on the YouTube channel, so I'm probably going to just probably delete it afterwards because yeah, I got nothing worth saying except it works. So I think we need to start looking into building actually doing training a network. So we're gonna drop these samples. They're pretty easy to do, and I'll let you guys. So we'll look at doing a neural network on our own next time. Thanks for watching. I'm probably gonna cut this short.